NFTs: how to make money? NFTs are becoming popular day by day. Still, many people don't have any idea about how they can earn money through NFTs. So in this video, we are going to tell you how you can earn money through NFTs in simple ways. Well, there are many ways you can earn through NFTs, but here we are going to tell you 3 main ways to earn money through NFTs. 1. Create and sale. 2. NFT flipping. 3. NFT promotion. 1. Create and sale. You can sell anything on the marketplace as an NFT, including images, GIFs, write UPS, articles, videos, music, audio, etc. You need to create your account on OpenSea by linking your account with your digital wallet account. Your Matamask account is where you can store all your NFT tokens and cryptocurrencies. But keep in mind that you will need to buy some Ethereum to pay the gas fee. Since it is required to sell your tokens, you have to pay a one-time gas fee to sell your collection. After doing all this, now you can sell your NFT on marketplaces such as OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, etc. 2. NFT flipping. Many of the NFT investors do NFT flipping to earn money, where they purchase the NFT at a low price and sell it with a big amount to gain profit from the NFTs. You can also do this thing if you have a particular amount of money to invest in NFTs. You just have to research and analyze the NFT projects and purchase some average NFTs to sell it for a big to earn money from it. 3. NFT promotion. This is the most straightforward way to earn money from the NFTs. You can promote NFT projects and earn money through them. NFT promotion is something that you can do with ease if you have proper knowledge about how to promote something on social media. So NFT promotion is also a great way to earn money with the term NFT.